Hello and welcome you all. Today in this video we will study transpose of matrix. So student, transpose of matrix means the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of a matrix. Generally transpose of matrix is denoted by A dash or A to the power T or A to the power C. If A is equal to Aij and its order is m cross n, then transpose of A matrix is At is equal to Aj and its order will become n cross m. So let's say I have taken a matrix A which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So transpose of this A matrix will be when we interchange the rows with column and column with rows. So our first row in A matrix which is 1 2 3 will become column of our transpose matrix which is 1 2 3 and so on. Second row of A matrix will become second column of our transpose matrix and third row of A matrix will become column of our transpose matrix. So our transpose matrix is AT is equal to 147 258 369. Now we will see some properties of transpose. So first property is student, when we transpose a matrix and again we will transpose it and this is equal to A. And second property is A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. And third property student, when we multiply our matrix by a scalar which is K. So K whole transpose will be equals to K into A transpose. And fourth property, that A into B whole transpose will always be equal to B transpose into A transpose. Now we will see what is symmetric matrix. So it is a square matrix in which A transpose is equal to A or Aij is equal to Aji. Let's say I have taken a matrix A which is 3 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 5 1 5 minus 2. Now in symmetric matrix this A12 element which is minus 1 and this is equal to A21. So A12 is equal to A21 which is minus 1. Similarly A13 will always be equal to A31. Let's say it is 1 and A23 is equal to A32 which is 5. So when we transpose this A matrix, our rows will become column. So 3 minus 1 1 will become column of our transpose matrix. Second row of A matrix will become second column of our transpose matrix and third row of A matrix will become third column of our transpose matrix. So from here we can see that A and A transpose both are same. And now what is skew symmetric matrix, student? A square matrix is said to be skew symmetric if A transpose is equal to minus of A, or we can say that Aij is equal to minus of Aj. Let's say I have taken a matrix A which is equal to 0 2 minus 3 minus 2 0 5 3 minus 5 0. So in skew symmetric matrix A12 which is second element of first row and this is equal to minus of A21. Similarly A13 is equal to minus of A31 and A23 is equal to minus of A32. Now student, when we take the transpose of A matrix, we know that row of A matrix will become column of our transpose matrix. So 0 2 minus 3 and second row of A matrix will become second column of our transpose matrix and third row of A matrix will become third column of our transpose matrix. And now student, when we take negative common from this matrix, we get 0 2 minus 3 minus 2 0 5 and 3 minus 5 0. So which is equal to our A matrix. So from here we can say that A transpose is equal to minus of A. Now based on skew symmetric matrix, we'll do one question which I've asked in CBSE 2018 board examination. So our question is, show that the element on the main diagonal of a skew symmetric matrix are all 0. Means we have to show that all the elements in the main diagonal of a skew symmetric matrix are 0. So we know that in a skew symmetric matrix, Aij is always equal to minus of Aj. So when we substitute I is equal to j, we get Aii is equal to minus of Aii. So on shifting minus Aii towards LHS, we get twice of Aii which is equal to 0. And from here we can say that Aii is equal to 0. So from here for all I, we get A11 equal to A22 equal to A33. This is equal to 0. Now based on above topic, practice this question mentioned on your screen and share me the solution.